How to check archive chats in Telegram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure your Telegram is updated to date. Then open Telegram and log into your account using your phone number. After you've logged in, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. This is first page of Telegram with all the chats down below. To click on archive chats, you will find archive chats on top. Click on archive chats and all your archive chats will be in here. As you can see, if you have no archive chats, you won't find option of archive chats in top of your screen. And that's how you check archive chat in Telegram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.